Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. You need to start by exiting top menu. Now look for location icon. When you find it, you need to click on it and then select close in this pop-up. As you can see, after that, location of my Motorola is off. If you want to turn it back on, click on the same icon. You can also go into settings instead, scroll down and tap on location section here. Then use it by clicking on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!